Yeah, I joined in 1986. That's when the world was black and white or sepia. It was that many years ago. And the company was very, it was very small. It could have only been 200, maybe 300 people. So everybody sort of knew everybody. Today it's around 800 people here in Crawley. So yeah, it's grown significantly.
Well, when I first came, the factory was a big old wide space, very slow throughput of the machines. They were built in one place. There were about, I think it was 3 or 4 machines on the shop floor. I seem to remember at any one time back then.
I've worked in the company for just coming up for 30 years. I mean, the actual makeup of the building hasn't changed. I mean, I think you'll find that the building is circa 1969 built, so the actual outside of the building hasn't changed at all. Inside, technology has moved on greatly.
I've seen it since the very early days when we struggled to get sort of 20 machines a year, and now we're doing, 400, maybe even more machines every single year. I mean, it's an incredible achievement. Anybody that came back again from the 1980s to see this would be staggered, I think, to see the change.
Every day we're producing Linux. At our busiest rate, we can be producing 2 Linux per day. So you kind of lose sight of how many you're doing. And it is good to step back and say, wow, this is the 5,000th machine that we've produced out of this factory. And we think about how many patients that we are helping to treat all over the world.
It's all evolved from what was really a masterpiece of design, I always think, from the mid-80s. And it's been a platform that Elekta has built a long, distinguished career in Linux on. So, yeah, respect to those people who were working on it then.
Precision radiation medicine is our strategic focus, absolutely, as a company. But to enable that to happen, they have to have the product, the machine. And the machine needs to do what it should do. And manufacturing play a major part in that. They manufacture products that are of the highest precision and of the highest quality.
A machine doesn't build itself. You've got to have people. I'm proud of the fact that we have such a strong group of highly talented, very special people within Elekta. In fact, it is the people that make Elekta.
For these people to come in every single day and be as diligent as they are, to keep on top of quality, to make sure that we still deliver the machine on time and within that 14-day period, it really does take some dedication. You can't overlook that.
The guys here are highly skilled in what they do on their part of the machine, and they should all be very proud of that. I can remember the 500th machine going out many, many years ago and the celebration that we held here, and now to be part of the 5,000th machine, it's just an incredible timeline.
I'm very proud that we've actually managed to get to 5,000 of these fantastic machines. It's a wonderful achievement. Everybody should be very proud of themselves.
At the end of the day, it's when I go home, it's thinking that I've produced a machine that will actually treat someone and hopefully cure their illnesses.
Millions of patients are being treated, and that's quite an achievement just from this factory.
5,000 machines, I mean, it's a great achievement, and the manufacturing guys are, the heart of the company, and should be very proud of what they've achieved. And I say a big thank you to them.